Hi guys, here at Rowston North crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. Andrew's filming on Skype today. Oh, shame I missed that. It was coming down really quick this time. There we go. Now this is for our 2 kilo 60, 1804 East Midlands train service from Doncaster from Sleaford to Doncaster. She's a bit late because she was late coming over to Sleaford earlier.
Joe, you've got the 60 and the 62. This one's 62. The Peterborough Lincoln was 60.
Peterborough Lincoln, alright.
You...
Yeah. Oh yeah, 2 kilo 62.
Huge flathead. I swear Joe has a little sausage brain. That's how stupid he is.
Yeah.
Little sausage has a brain. Lovely.
That's
Signal.
£100 bean.
Was you here when that barrier got smashed?
Yeah. Yeah.
It did get smashed, didn't it?
Might do against two.
Even the kids saw it. Even the kids saw it got smashed.
There's a car waiting.
Is there? Good God, there's a lot of traffic coming at the moment, isn't there? Yeah, so that would be the...
As Joe said back at cars from strength, when the barriers are up,
Exactly.
the gates go down, the world appears. In it, Joe.
Yeah, the signal is now on green, and here she is.
And you've got...
Wave.
Hey,
Wave higher, then he'll see you.
Does it beat his hole when you do it?
Oh yeah, sometimes it does. I had a blast at Digley the other day. Watch your hand, don't bang your hand on the barrier cage. Yep, the signal green reflection. We've got 156408 to Doncaster. Thank you. 156408 to Doncaster, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.